Now, this podcast is to record frequently used statistical functions in Excel. Now, Excel has many built-in statistical functions that can be used in elementary statistics. First function we use average. Average is a function to find out the mean of data. Second function is mode, M-O-D-E. Mode is a function to calculate mode of the list. Median. Median is a function to find out ordered list. Max, M-A-X, is a function to find out the maximum element of the data list. Min, M-I-N. MIN is function to find out the minimum element of the data list. Count, C-O-U-N-T, is a function to find out how many numerical data in the list. Now, to find out sample standard deviation, we can use the function STDEV. To find out sample variance, we can use the function VAR. We also have the function quartile. It's a function you can find out first quartile, Q1, second quartile, Q2, and third quartile, Q3. It's also one very important function, sum product. Sum product is the function to calculate the inner product of two arrays. You need to input two arrays. Both of them must be the same size, either column array or row array. However, before you can do all the calculation, we need to change alphanumerical data, which you copy from Microsoft Word or PowerPoint, into numerical data, into the Excel, so Excel can perform all data analysis. So now let's start to convert alphanumerical data to numerical data. Let's use this example. So right now you have data 12, 5, 10, 8, 7, 5, 13. So step 1, we copy those data. So copy the data. You highlight the data and right click, select copy. Then you go to Excel. So you can paste those data. So you use right click and paste. So now you can see all the data is in my case, cell A3. Now because we have this square symbol there, we need to delete that square symbol. So right now all data is inside C3. So where C3 is select, under the data tab, you will see a button text to column. So select text to column. Now the convert text to column wizard pop out because all our data separated by comma. So we choose delimited, then click next. Then you can choose comma. So you can see the data already be separated. The next step, we click next. So now we already finished. There's nothing we need to do. So click finish. So now you can see the data already changed to raw data. However, number 12 is in the boldface. We can, under the home, and And then you will see erase format, clear format, choose clear format. So now you will see all the numbers are in the same format. The next, we want to change those raw data into column data. So let's highlight all those raw data and right click and choose copy. Now we have 7 data. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 data. So in the Excel, we select 7 cells. And then under home, there is page special. We use page special. And when page special dialog box pop up, at the bottom right above the OK, you will see transpose. So select transpose. Then OK. Now data are copied to the column C. So at this moment, we can get rid of those running dash line and then delete original raw data. And then add the label. Let's see, data, add the cell C3. So now we have copied all the numerical data. We have converted all numerical data to numerical data. So now let's use those data to do the simple data analysis. For example, if we want to find out the mean, so now let me put the label first. Mean, EAN. So those are label. And then we want to find mode, PE. And then we want to get median, EIAN. And then we want to set maximum. And then we want to get minimum. And let's sample variance, sample standard deviation, STD. As we said before, mean we can use equal average, AVERAGE. So now you select the data and close parentheses. So now you get average. Mode, we use equal, MODE. Again, select the data and close parentheses. So you get the mode. Median, equal, MEDIAN. And then you select the data. So you get the median. Max equal MAX. So we select the data. Minimum equal MIN. Then you select the data. Sample variance, so we equal VAR. And then we select the data. Sample standard deviation equal STDEV. Then we select the data. Okay, now we can get a couple more. For example, count. How many data? Sample size. SIZE, the sample size. And then we can also say first quartile, let's say Q1. And third quartile, Q3. So sample size, we can use equal COUNT, count. So now we have 7 data. Q1 is equal QUARTILE, and then you select sample. That's the first quartile, so you put 1, comma 1. Now Q3 is third quartile, so we use equal QUARTILE. Now you select the data and then comma 3. So now we complete all basic data analysis. Now suppose we add the frequency for those data. Okay, so let's put frequency. F represent frequency. Now let's say the frequency is for 12 is 3, 4, 6, 2, 3, 1, 5. So now suppose we have frequency table. Data 12 have frequency 3, data 5 have frequency 4, and on and on. So in this case, how to find out the mean, the weighted mean? So here we have the weighted mean. So weighted mean, label weighted mean. So weighted mean will be, we use a function equal sum product, the input array, data array, then comma, frequency array, then divide by sum of frequency. So now we have weighted mean. So far, any questions? Now there are many other functions. We will do that when we are working on the different subject. Thank you.